Magic Hair Growth Oil, stop hair fall and grow new hair. Hi friends, I'm Ivy. Please subscribe to my channel. And please press the bell icon for regular update. And share it with your friends, maybe it will help him. Be it teens, adults or elderly, almost everyone is facing hair loss, hair growth problems these days. During my high school days, I suffered from hair loss as I've found myself losing handfuls of hair for no apparent reason. I was even scared of going to the shower as seeing those hairs left behind clogging the drain simply horrified me to the highest level. I even went to a doctor so he could give me his diagnosis, but it came out negative as he offered zero explanation why I was losing my hair. I was disappointed, and it prompted me to troll the internet and tried some Indian secrets for growing hair. Well, now I'm a believer in using natural ingredients. This mixture worked for me, and I have no doubt this will work for you as well. Use this regularly and soon you will see improvements. Remember, patience is a virtue. You'll need 3 tablespoons onion juice, 2 tablespoons bringraj oil, 1 tablespoon castor oil. Directions: 1. Grate the onions and squeeze to extract the juice using a strainer. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of bringraj oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil and mix all together. 3. Now, heat the mixture up by putting in a pot of hot water. Don't put this in microwave. 4. Massage the mixture into your scalp. Make sure that the oil touches your scalp. You can flip your hair back and massage the oil on your scalp about 2 minutes, but I like to massage my scalp up to 5 minutes. This process stimulates the blood flow to your hair roots, which if done right, really helps a lot in hair fall and hair growth. 5. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and rinse it off as usual by using shampoo and conditioner. Use this routine 2 to 3 times a week to see results. Thanks for watching me. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. And please stay tuned for more.